Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can install AUR packages on Arch Linux. AUR packages means that Debian packages which are compatible in your Arch system. Let's go to AUR packages page for first. Let's just install Opera from here. Today I am using a different method called the AUR helper method. In this method you can install AUR packages directly into your system. For that, first you have to set up your YAY package. You need base devel git for that. To install base devel git, type sudo pacman -s needed base and devel git. You have to put sudo password. I have already installed base devel git, that's why it's showing there is nothing to do. Now just install YAY. For that, search for YAY, and with the help of YAY we can install Opera directly from your terminal. So just copy this link and git clone it, git clone, then paste the link and hit enter. This will start cloning EA into your system. Now just go to EA folder. Now if I ls here, you can see a package build file here. So just type make pkg-si to start installing EA into your system. This will take some time. It depends on your internet speed and your system configuration. Make package -si, this will start compiling the package build file for your Arch Linux. Let's just wait here, and I am fast forwarding this for saving your time. Now the EA install has been completed, so let's install Opera directly from your terminal. You can also git clone this and use make package -si. This is a little hectic method. You have to first go to Arch Linux user repository, then you have to git clone it, then type make package -si. You can do directly this from here. Let's just clear it. That's how you can see this. Now let's move to our home folder and then just type YAY-package name for searching. This will search every packages. You can see here is AUR Opera. Just press 1 and package, it will ask if you want to build packages. Type I and difference to type I, and this will start installing Opera onto your system. Now it will first download the files and execute make package -si automatically. You just have to wait until it finish up, and just in the prompt you have to type yes or Y for start installing. Now this is compiling all the packages. Let's just wait some time. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. So I am fast forwarding it to save your time. Now in the prompt type Y for start installing, and now you can see Opera has been installed. If I go to now here you can see Opera has been installed already. In this method you can directly install the AUR packages into your system without going to any site or git clone it or building the package by yourself. You can install directly from your terminal. If you like this kind of videos, just let me know in the comments. I will try to make better videos day by day. Thanks for watching. For any kind of help in Arch Linux, you can ask me. And if you like my theme, I have installed a new theme here. If you like my theme, you can always comment me to make this video. So thank you, thanks for watching. Just do like, subscribe and share. This will be a big help to grow my channel.